Look out here. 1, and back there. Now the right arm very strong. Right arm, you're on your right, and the right arm's going. Yeah, better. Arabesque. Step back. Side, front, plie. And left shoulder back. Right shoulder back. Turn the left, pressing down. Head on the right. Left arm over your toe, over your toe, over your toe. Keep reaching both arms, both arms. Step back, side, better. Again, go. Back there. Bigger bodies. And right arm, pressing down. Slower, Deborah, slowly. Now two arms, plie, plie. Now step back there, back there. Right. Twist. And right shoulder back. Left knee. Over your toe. Head, keep the head. Left arm, left arm, left arm. Two arms, two arms. Now step back. Back, side. Better. See, you look better the more you work your body and reach your arms, right? It's as simple as that. If you're really working through your body, you're going to look good, okay? When you don't do anything, you don't, because you're not doing anything. Do you understand? You have to really work, and work the air, work the floor. It's all about weight, isn't it? Where is your weight and balance, okay? Good. All right, better.